Hey guys, it's Elizabeth here, and I'm going to be doing some more burps for you. So, enjoy them. Alright, that one was okay. So, I'll say it was pretty good. Sorry. That was a weird one, but okay. Wait. Okay. I'll do a few more. Oh. Alright, that wasn't that great. I'll do like one or two more. And then I'm gonna have to end the video. Alright, that's all I'm gonna do for now. So I hope you enjoyed the burps, and if there's any suggestions for videos you want to give us, that would be really good, because really most of our videos are like of burps. So yeah, plus I have another burp coming probably. Feel it. Alright, that's what happens after a video. So if there is any suggestions, just inbox us or comment them, and we will try to do them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!